A very good morning, children. In the previous class, we have started our lesson, that is, we need air. Lesson number 10, we need air. All living things need air. People, animals, and plants cannot live without air. You are seeing a picture, no? So what the boy is doing? He is blowing air into a balloon. See how it becomes bigger and bigger. What is happening? Air fills up the space inside the balloon. So we can say that air takes up space. Air has many uses. What you are seeing in the picture? A person, animals and plants. People, animals and plants need air to breathe. Moving air can dry clothes. So what you are seeing in the picture? It is a glider. It helps gliders to move. Which air helps gliders to move? Fast moving air can turn the blades of a windmill. So in the first picture you are seeing a windmill. Fast moving air can turn the blades of a windmill. And also air helps boats to sail. Air helps for burning. Okay, air is needed for lighting a fire and as well as keep it burning. What you are seeing in the picture? A football, a girl wearing a swimming tube and a tire tube. So air is needed for all this. So air can be filled into footballs, swimming tubes and as well as cycle tires. So this is for the today's session. We'll continue the remaining lesson in the next session. Thank you.